Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file tax return in Canada by yourself full guide. Begin by gathering T4 slips, receipts, SIN, and any rental or investment records to organize income and deductions. Next, create or sign into a CRA My account and download compatible NetFile software. I will walk you through claiming common credits, reporting self-employment income, and double-checking totals before submission to avoid delays. Start by entering employment income from T4 slips and confirm box 14 matches your records to avoid mismatches. For self-employment, complete a T2125 with expenses and retain receipts for audits or reviews. Include investment dividends, rental revenue, and pension amounts from official slips, and reconcile totals with bank statements and slips. I will also explain common deductions and why keeping annual documentation saves time and stress during filing. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel and reach more viewers. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, which makes reading tax guides and storing digital receipts pleasant and portable, a useful companion while organizing paperwork. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if it helps, and now let's get back to the video. Focus on claiming the basic personal amount and other non-refundable credits that reduce federal tax immediately. Deduct eligible RRSP contributions, childcare, moving costs, and employment expenses with accurate supporting documents. Track medical expenses and charitable donations carefully and group them by year to meet thresholds for maximum benefit. I will show how credits interact with provincial rules and how to apply credits to lower both federal and provincial taxes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.